And we're back with another robot vacuum review. But this time, we're looking at one of Dreame's most ambitious cleaning systems yet. Meet the Dreame Aqua 10 Pro Track. Now, at first glance, it looks like any other premium robot vacuum or even other Dreame robot vacuums. But underneath, it's packing one feature that completely changes how it cleans your floors. Instead of the usual spinning mop pads found on most robot vacuums, the Aqua 10 Pro Track uses a continuously self-cleaning roller mop. It's a design that's much closer to how a wet and dry vacuum works, helping ensure the robot is always mopping with a cleaner surface instead of dragging dirty water from room to room. Combined with powerful suction, intelligent navigation, one of Dreame's most automated docking stations yet, the Aqua 10 Pro Track is built to be a true hands-free cleaning companion. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. The Aqua 10 Pro Track sticks with Dreame's premium design language. It has a clean, circular body paired with a large, multifunction docking station that takes care of almost everything after each cleaning session. The dock automatically empties the dustbin, washes the roller mop using high-temperature water, dries it with hot air, refills the robot's water tank, and even cleans itself, dramatically reducing the amount of maintenance you'll need to do. The robot itself introduces Dreame's retractable periscope LiDAR system. Whenever it encounters low clearance furniture, the LiDAR module lowers itself, allowing the robot to squeeze underneath beds, sofas, and cabinets that many traditional robot vacuums simply can't reach. Underneath is where the biggest change happens. Instead of two spinning mop pads, Dreame equips the Aqua 10 Pro with its new Track Sync roller mop. As the robot cleans, fresh water continuously rinses the roller, while dirty water is scraped away into a separate compartment. The result is a cleaning system that keeps refreshing itself throughout the entire cleaning cycle, rather than simply dragging the same mop across your floors. The robot also features an upgraded anti-tangle brush system, making it particularly well-suited for homes with pets or families with long hair. The Aqua 10 Pro Track delivers up to 25,000 pascals of suction power, giving it more than enough muscle to handle almost everyday dust, pest hair, crumbs, and other large debris on the floor and even carpets. But suction isn't really the headline feature here. The real story again is the Track Sync roller mop. Because the roller is constantly being cleaned while it works, it does a noticeably better job at handling wet messes, muddy footprints, kitchen grease, and other sticky spills compared to a conventional robot mop, which has the two spinning circles. For households with mostly hard flooring, this is easily one of the best advantages of the Aqua 10 Pro Track. Navigation is equally impressive too. Using retractable LiDAR, AI cameras, and structured light sensors, as well as intelligent obstacle avoidance, this robot vacuum can recognize common household objects and carefully maneuver around these things, such as charging cables, shoes, toys, pet bowls, and other everyday clutter. Thanks to Dreame's upgraded Pro Leap system, the robot vacuum can climb over tall door thresholds and even uneven flooring of up to 8 centimeters. The companion app also offers plenty of customization. You can create multiple floor maps, create no-go zones, clean individual rooms, adjust suction, water usage, customize carpet behavior, and even monitor cleaning progress in real time. Of course, no robot vacuum is perfect. While the roller mops performs exceptionally well during everyday cleaning, stubborn dried stains can still require multiple passes before they're completely removed. The AI navigation also tends to prioritize caution, occasionally avoiding tight spaces that could have been cleaned safely without it hitting anything. Still, these are relatively small trade-offs considering just how refined the overall cleaning experience is with this robot vacuum. When it comes to battery life, the Aqua 10 Pro Track packs a large 6,400 mAh battery pack. It typically delivers 90 to 120 minutes of continuous cleaning for medium to large homes. And if it ever runs low before finishing the job, the robot automatically returns to its dock, recharges itself, and then resumes cleaning exactly where it left off. Combined with its efficient mapping and navigation, battery life rarely becomes something you'll have to worry about. Maintenance is where the Aqua 10 Pro Track really earns its rank among other expensive Dreame robot vacuums. The docking station automatically empties the dustbin, washes the roller using high-temp water, dries it with hot air, refills the clean water tank, and even cleans the dock itself for each cycle. Since the roller is continuously cleaned during operation and thoroughly washed afterwards, odors and bacteria buildup are kept to a minimum, so you don't really have that nasty odor smell residing when you're cleaning. Realistically, aside from occasionally refilling the water tank, emptying the dirty water, and replacing consumable parts over time, there's very little manual work required for users. The only downside is the dock itself. It takes up a fair amount of floor space, which is why it's not here. So you'll want to make sure you have enough room for it before bringing one home. The Dreame Aqua 10 Pro Track isn't trying to reinvent robot vacuums. It simply rethinks one of their biggest weaknesses. By replacing the traditional spinning mop pads with a continuously self-cleaning roller, Dreame has created a robot that feels much more capable when it comes to everyday floor washing. Pair that with powerful suction, intelligent navigation, obstacle climbing, and one of the most automated docking stations we've seen, and you end up with a robot vacuum that's remarkably easy to work with. Is it perfect though? Not quite. Very stubborn stains may still require a second or maybe even a third pass, and like with any premium robot vacuum, it also comes with a premium price tag. Speaking of the price, the Dreame Aqua 10 Pro Track retails for 70,990 pesos directly from Dreame PH. And it's also available on Shopee and Lazada for 79,999 pesos. No doubt, it's a lot of money, even compared to other robot vacuums we tried recently, including the ones from Dreame. But if your home has mostly hard floors and you want one of the most advanced mopping systems currently available, the Dreame Aqua 10 Pro Track makes for a very compelling case for itself. It's smart, innovative, and shows that robot vacuums are continuously evolving simply beyond picking up dust. But still, what do you guys think of the Dreame Aqua 10 Track robot vacuum? Would this be your new pick for a robot vacuum? Let us know in the comments below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, do drop a like and subscribe to watch more. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok. And of course, visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. And if you want to check out other robot vacuums. Once again, this has been Say. I'll see you guys in the next one. This thing was heavy.